together, guys. Day 8. So yeah, yesterday we've just about got every single last part off. We've got bonnet hinges and those hoops on the floor which we need to get off when it's on the jig, but apart from that, pretty much all completely stripped down. The plan today was to get it on the jig, but decided against that because I don't have any metal to brace it up yet, and yeah, probably best to do so before getting it on the jig. So we're just going to assemble that today, so might be a bit of a short one.